If you deal with lower back pain or just looking for a way to relax at home at the end of the day, then this is an interesting find. It's a portable back massager, so you can relax anywhere, anytime, any way you want to. And I am so excited that the brand sent me this to try, because I am one that suffers from low back pain, and I also just love to find something that will help me relax at home. So when you open the box, it does have the user manual, and here's the belt. So it has straps that can detach. They're already attached. So this is what it looks like on the back. Then you have the power button and the adjustable levels for up and down. It also comes with a belt extender. In case the belt's not long enough, you can make it longer, which I thought that was a nice thought to do. It does come with the charger, and it charges on the bottom of the belt right there. And one other, I think, really great thing about this in particular is that, so when you put it on, the controls are right here on the top at the back. So sometimes that may be hard for someone to reach. So not only can you turn it on and off the belt, but it also has a remote. Or you have the option to download the app and be able to control it right on your phone or iPad. So thoughtfully done, and so many ways to adjust everything to your comfort levels, whatever way you want to. So how it works is you will long press the power button to turn it on or off. When it turns on, there will be 4 white lights that show up, and that shows you how charged the battery is. So 4 means it's fully charged, 1 means you need to charge it. And then it has the plus or minus buttons to adjust the intensity levels. There's 6 massage modes, 9 levels of pulse intensity, 3 vibration modes, 3 vibration intensity levels, and then the hot compress intensity. Low level temperature is 104, with the medium level temperature being at 104, and then the highest temperature being at 107.6. So that's all your settings. So let's turn it on, and I'll show you what it looks like. So these are your levels, so you know it's fully charged. This is a heat. These do also heat up, and these are the vibration modes. And so you just short press the power button to change between them. If you want it to be faster or slower, you just press the plus or minus button. So let's put it on and give it a try. Okay, so put it on, you just put it on your back and then adjust the strap where it's comfortable for you. And just remember that there is the strap extender if you need it to be longer. I'm gonna use the remote, and I love that you can just take this anywhere with you, at home, in the car, to work, on an airplane, and find a way to just be able to relax and get some relief. So you turn it on, and then you can use the remote to adjust the mode or the intensity level or the heat level. It does feel really good. I can already feel the heat warming up, and I personally love heat. It does help me relax. I'm glad that that is a feature on this back belt. So you can use it while you're sitting here reading, scrolling, watching TV, or like I said, anywhere you need it to be. And I just think this is such a convenient, comfortable way to be able to relax and get some back relief. And if I don't have to leave the house to do it, I'm all in. So go give it a try today.